Now, I'm going to show you how to duplicate or copy a set of the blocks or a set of the algorithm from one sprite to another sprite. And now you can see here, we only have one sprite here, just a sprite. As demo, I will add another sprite here. For example, I add Andy. Alright, now, all of these blocks, all of these algorithms are under the sprite 1. This is the sprite name. Of course, I can rename it as cat. So how to copy some of the scripts, some of the coding, some of the algorithm, for example, these 4 blocks from the cat to Andy. Alright, in order to copy this, what you are going to do is you right click. Alright, you don't need to right click it. You just make sure you already drag 2 times or 3 times here and you use Ctrl C to copy. Ctrl C to copy, and you go to the ND and you use your keyboard Ctrl V to paste here. Now you can see these 4 blocks already copied from the cat sprite to Andy. Andy has his own blocks, has its own algorithms, his own program, and the cats have different program. They all have different blocks. Now, this is the way on how to copy. Let's say if I click at here, I click 2 times. This is not a double click. To make sure I click already, and I Control C, use the Control C to copy, and let's have a look now. Alright, never mind. It will be the same as here. So now if I add an operator here, or add another motion here, so that you can differentiate. Now, I want to copy these few blocks. If I click here a few times, I make sure I already click here. So I want to copy the whole thing. I just use Control C to copy. And now I go to the ND and I use Control V to paste. Now you can see exactly at the location where I click, it will use Control C to copy the rest of the following from one sprite to another sprite. It's also applicable at the same sprites here. Here, if I use Control V, it can copy and paste here as well. If I click here, I use Control C, press Control C on my keyboard, and press Control. I move my mouse cursor to here, and I use Control V. It will exactly copy from here together with the following. And this is the way how can we use the Control C and Control V to duplicate or copy from one sprite to another sprite. And it is also applicable in the same sprites inside the same coding plane. That's all.